I bought this Mercedes CLA crash damaged. This is what it looks like now, and this is what it looked like before. As you can tell from this video, the car took quite a serious impact on the left hand side, which has damaged both headlights, reinforcer, bonnet and the left hand side wing. I'm going to start by stripping all these off and assessing for any further damage in order to order more parts if they are needed. Also, there's no response after you turn the ignition on. I've put a new battery on there, but the car's still not starting up. I need to investigate a little bit further on what the issue could be. You can see all the airbags have gone off, including the driver's knee airbag, and all the seatbelts are locked. The only airbags that haven't gone off is these side ones. Because the airbag went off, I'm guessing that's what's cracked the windscreen, so we're going to need a new windscreen.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So we've stripped the car, we've taken the bumper, cross member, bonnet, wing, and we've checked the suspension for any further damage. I think I've figured out what's causing the car not to crank. The car's not started, so the ignition's on. If I put the positive, negative and the positive on, we can see 12 volts. Now if I go onto the other terminal, it's also 12 volts. Now the terminal that goes to the starter motor, if I put it on now, there's no voltage there. So that means that something's causing this. The new loom that goes to the starter motor has got a pyro fuse, and I'm gonna have to solder the current one into the new one. As you can see, this one's shot out during the accident, and this is what it should look like. So you can see it's shot out quite a fair bit in there.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the
Have been soldered. I need to wrap them up individually before wrapping them as a whole. No dawaj. So today I need to remove the steering airbag, knee airbag and all the seat belts because even the rear ones are locked. I've taken out the driver's steering wheel airbag and now I'm moving on to the knee airbags. I'm going to be taking out. Yeah, they're charging a fortune down there. Yeah, it's not too bad.
But it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for
You have to be really careful with these. These like to snap, so you have to pry it from a different angle. You need a good pick tool. Done. Sent off for recon. So the seatbelt is locked. I can't start from there because I can't recline this forward. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to take the bottom base out, undo that one, that bolt that sits down there, and then get this off. So in order to access the knee airbag, you have to remove the side piece, the piece that sits underneath, where the diagnostic plugs into, and where the bonnet lever is. Niestety, trzeba nowy. Dawaj black tape'nika, zaklejmy gaffer tape i na mod, na czarny pojedziemy. Here we have it, the SRS module. So this needs to be sent off alongside the steering, knee airbag and all the seat belts in order for the crash data to be cleared. It was quite difficult getting to it because you have to remove the center armrest and there's loads of screws, bolts. You have to take the radio out, and it was a mission, but we got it in the end. So here we have all the airbags that the company's requested. We have the driver's knee airbag, steering wheel airbag, alongside all the seat belts and the SRS module, which needs to be reset.
Time is barely on our side.